Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting. Please read the statement very carefully. If A is equal to 2B square, then which one among the following can be true? What we are given? We are given A is equal to 2B square. There are four options. We need to verify in this situation which one is true. Obviously, step by step, we need to check all of them and then we will decide. Let me check the A part. A part is 2A plus 3C is equal to 4B square plus 3C. If I start solving left side, 2A plus 3C, and let me substitute value of A as 2B square. If I will fill A as 2B square, what I am getting is 4B square plus 3C. That means what I observed, that yes, A option is true, right? Because right side is 4B square plus 3C, same is coming. So as of now, I have decided that first one is true. Let me try for the next one. B option. It is 4A minus 6B square. What is the value of A given? Value of A is given as 2B square, right? And we need to subtract 6B square. It is 8B square minus 6B square, and 8 minus 6 is 2B square. I have done all the steps and no doubt my answer is coming as 2B square, but what is given? That 2B square is equal to A. That means B option is also correct. So I have observed that two options are correct. So that means hopefully D option is going to be the answer, because I need to select any one of these four options. If A and B are correct, I'm sure that C will also be correct and we will put all of above, but let us try. At least we will have practice of the calculation. C option is 5C plus 3A upon 2. Let us try A as 2B square here. It will be 5C. A as 2 times B square divided by 2 means this 2 and 2 will be cancelled. And what will be left with? We will be left with 5C plus 3B square. So is it my C option? Yes. C option is 3B square plus 5C. That means A, B and C all are true. So D option finally we will select all the above. This is the correct answer. And this question came in recently Olympiad exam. That is why we prepared this video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.